Hello, and welcome back to school and DVTV. I'm this year's host, Ashley Henderson. I know the beginning of the school year can be tough, but before you know it, June will come around. It goes by in the blink of an eye. And especially now that I'm a senior, I am quickly realizing how fast time goes by. So before we get too far into this year, let's take a look at the highlights of last year.
Are you ready for the sequel? Ain't ready for the latest? In the garden of evil, I'm gonna be the greatest. In a golden cathedral, I'll be praying for the faithless. And if you lose, boo-hoo. Hey, look, ma, I made it. Hey, look, ma, I made it. Everything's coming up pieces, pieces. If it's a dream, don't wake me, don't wake me. I said, hey, look, ma, I made it. Friends are happy for me, or they're honeysuckle phonies. Then they celebrate my medals, or they wanna take my trophies. Some are loyal soldiers, while these other thorns are rosy. And if you never know who you can trust, then trust me, you'll be lonely. Oh, are you ready for the sequel? Ain't ready for the latest? In the garden of evil, I'm gonna be the greatest. In a golden cathedral, I'll be praying for the faithless. And if you lose, boo-hoo. Hey, look, ma, I made it. Hey, look, ma, I made it. Everything's coming up pieces, pieces. If it's a dream, don't wake me, don't wake me. I said, hey, look, ma, I made it, I made it. I said, hey, look, ma, I made it, I made it. I see it, I want it, I take it, take it. If it's a dream, don't wake me, don't wake me. I said, hey, look, ma, I made it. Mama, best believe it. Mama, best believe it. Think I must be dreaming. What a waking dream. Mama, best believe it. Mama, best believe it. Think I must be dreaming. Remember, my father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me. Start pouring down, light a fire they can't put out. Carve your name into those shining stars. He said go venture far beyond the shores. Don't forsake this life of yours. I'll guide you home no matter where you are. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. When I was just a kid I heard him say, when you get older your wild heart will live for younger days. Think of me if ever you're afraid. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me. These are the nights that never die. My father told me. Yeah, you look stunning, dear, so don't ask that question here. This is my only fear. all the lights and flashy cameras. 'Cause with my arms around you, there's no need to care. We don't fit in well, we are just ourselves. I could use some help getting out of this conversation here. Your love's done in here, so don't ask that question here. This is my only fear. We become beautiful people.
You know, looking back at those clips shows how great last year was, and we hope to make this year even better. And you know what would make your year better? Subscribing to our YouTube channel and clicking the notification bell to make sure you don't miss an upload. This year is sure to be filled with event highlights, great segments, and so much more. So make sure to stay tuned for our next show. I'm Ashley Henderson, and that's it for this week on DVTV.